Hi guys, and welcome back again to Draft Project. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the door siding of this Mazda 2 or Mazda Demio. Before you watch this video, subscribe now. First thing to remove is this plastic cover for the door opener. You can see that there is a small opening. This is where you will insert the tool to pry it. I will use a steel wire to pull that cover. I put a tape on the ends to prevent scratching the plastic cover. You can be creative if you don't have the right tools. There is the screw that holds the door opener. Remove it using a Phillips head screwdriver. Next to remove is the power window switch bezel. Here you can see a small opening. I will use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open. But before that, I will put a masking tape on the ends of the screwdriver to prevent damaging the bezel. Now I'm gonna gently pry it open. Once it pops out, you can simply pry it by your hands. Then pull the socket. Take note of this spot because it has a plastic tab that is meant to be pulled. Just be gentle when removing this piece to prevent breaking the plastic clips and tabs. Loosen the screw and keep it aside. Pry this small plastic clip using a flathead screwdriver. Then the door panel can now be pulled. I will pull it in the spot since it has a small opening where I can grab the panel. It's hard to pull in this area since it is tight, unless you have a proper prying tool for this panel. Just pull it carefully. Now you need to push the door opener inside to separate it from the door panel. And keep the door panel aside. This is how the back of the panel looks like. Everything is sealed and insulated. Do the same procedures for the other side. Door panels are being removed because the car will get a new tint. Now there are instances that this weather strip will be left once you pull the door panel. You can remove it by lifting it and reinstall it back to the door panel. But you can also leave it there and install the door panel. Just push it gently and the weather strip will lock in place. After all, it still depends on what process is convenient for you. Same procedure for the rear door panel. And now you know how to remove the door panels of this Mazda 2. The procedures can be applied to other cars, but there could be some minor changes on the process. I hope you enjoy and find this video helpful. Subscribe now for more videos, and please don't forget to hit like and click the bell to keep you guys updated whenever I release a new video. Thank you very much and God bless.